After watching the garnishing mise en place tips from video from Thomas Sessions, I gained valuable insights into the importance of preparation in bartending. The video emphasized that mise en place, a French term meaning putting in place, and crucial not only in culinary settings but also behind the bar, by organizing all necessary tools and ingredients beforehand. Bartender can ensure a smoother and more efficient service, and if there are tag on fruits, remove and all the fruits will check one by one. The demonstration highlights practical tips for setting up garnishes such as pre-cutting fruits and arranging them systemically. This preparation not only speeds up the drinking making process but also enhances the overall presentation, leading to a better customer experience. Implementing these techniques can significantly improve workflow and ensure consistency in cocktail preparation. Incorporating a well-structured mise en place allows bartender to focus more on art of mixology and customer interaction rather than scrambling for ingredients during peak hour. This approach underscores the professionalism and attention to detail that are hallmarks of exceptional bartending. Overall, the video served as practical guide for both novice and experienced bartender, reinforcing the idea that meticulous preparation is key to delivering high-quality service consistently. And the video that that's all. Thank you.